Almost everybody makes New Year resolutions. I will lose weight. I will read more. I will spend more time with my family. These statements sound great on paper and in our heads. But whether we stick to them or not is a completely different story. By the time Feb rolls around, even the most sincere New Year resolutions morph into facsimils of the original. I will lose weight next year. I will read more when I have time. I'll spend more time with my family. On second thought, they will really annoy me, so I'm not going to bother. Personal resolutions are great when they work, but if you are a small business owner, you are probably better off making a resolution to protect and nurture your business. And because it pertains to your livelihood, chances are that you will actually stick to it. No more next year. When I have time, I am not going to bother. Welcome to another episode of the BSS Show. I am Lion Amir Virani, Business Support Service Specialist and Tech Evangelist. Protect your business from cyber attacks with this New Year Resolution 2021 for your business. The year 2020 has become remarkable in many ways, especially when it comes to the surge in cyber attacks. The COVID-19 pandemic has given to unprecedented opportunity to cyber attackers to hack and break down the organization's IT infrastructure. The work from home working module adopted by such organization has been attributed to the rise of cyber attacks. The security gap between the home and office network has played a key role to make way for data breaches in 2020. This issue has resulted in the theft of confidential information, leading to the loss of millions of dollars for breached organizations. Today, cyber attackers have come up with more innovative ideas to set a new trend in phishing, cryptojacking, ransomware attack, IoT attack, etc. According to a security research firm, 81 global firms from 81 countries reported data breaches in the first half of 2020 alone. If you don't want your organization to fall prey to unscrupulous cyber attackers and data thieves, let your 2021 resolution be: I will protect my company and customers from preventable threats. 3 ways to put this resolution in practice. A cyber attack can lead to huge data losses and serious financial repercussions. Worse, it can destroy your organization's reputation and goodwill. Since prevention is always better than cure, protecting your firm from such attacks is a smart thing to do. Here are 3 ways to defend your firm from cyber attackers and prevent future attacks. 1. Use updated security software on all your systems. Your IT department should be able to guide you on what kind of software you need to protect your system from malware, viruses, phishing, botnets, man-in-the-middle, DOS, and other types of cyber threats. Talk to a cyber security expert if required. However, it is not enough to simply install antivirus, anti-malware, or firewall software. Cyber attackers are getting smarter and cyber threats are constantly evolving. To stay ahead of them, it's critical to ensure that your systems are up to date. Update them with patches or upgrade to the latest versions. Change software if need be. This way, you will be able to consistently mitigate any new types of threats and keep your firm protected all the time. Second, always back up. One would think that this is a commonsensical tip, right? No, wrong. An amazing number of firms don't bother to back up their data. Regardless of the reasons for this carelessness, the results can be devastating and very difficult to recover from, if ever. To prevent such eventualities, backup all your historical and current data. Set up automated backups for the future. Technology can help make use of it. Backups provide peace of mind to you and to your clients. Then, why would you not do it? Third, refresh your passwords. You must regularly change your passwords and ensure that your staff does the same. It can be a pain to use unique passwords for every system, like goodbye 1234, but the results will be worth it. Use a mix of letters in both lower and uppercase, special characters, and numbers. Needless to say, don't use easy to crack passwords like a birthday, children's names, or hometown. Never store your passwords on spreadsheets or post-it notes. Writing them on your desk or closest wall is also out. No, no. Never share your passwords with anyone, not even your dog. Never use default system generated passwords. Change them immediately. To keep track of your passwords, you can try a password keeper, password manager software that encrypts your passwords and lets you know if any of them are compromised. I am inviting business owners in India and around the world to make New Year resolution for their organization and share on social media and tag me hashtag the BSS show by Lion Amir Virani. See you in the next episode of the BSS show. Thank you.